whole shed. Tell us.
Welcome to What the Kawhia. This is an interesting shed because it's not what you expect. It's a laundry, sink, mirror, tub,
Oh God.
dishwasher.
Dishwasher in the wow.
in the
Okay.
laundry, and through there is a shower.
Wow.
I think the only thing I like in the whole place is the paddle.
Oh, look at that.
Looks like it's a Fairman's paddle from Waterloo Bar and Cafe, Wellington.
Oh, Wellington.
Wellington.
Wow, look at that. That's you could shower 8 people in here at once. So I've got big plans for this shed. I thought we could take off the corrugated roofing and replace it with like a clear light, corrugated clear light. Oh, there's a few little wasps nest up there. They'll have to come out. Oh, there's lots along there. They probably like the heat. Yeah, so we will replace the roof.
I'm throwing out these slippers. That's disgusting.
Oh,
Someone threw an Emirates.
You don't want the slippers?
These are old Emirates slippers.
Oh, you don't want to keep them?
No.
For guests? No, okay. Some broken glass everywhere. I've been picking it up for hours this morning. That might be our new front door, seeing as our old one is not really a door. Yeah, anyway, that's the shower bathroom situation. Cool old mirror, be able to reuse that. Yeah, some of it's funky. Some of it's open plan.
Lucky we got years to
Yeah.
work.
Yep.
These bottles are all empty.
Cool.
Oh no,
Crack
got,
on.
It's got some Ajax
Oh,
in there.
oh, nice. Yeah.
Oh,
Good
it's got some
score.
easy off bam in there.
Oh, lordy lord.
Oh, it's got some 30 seconds in there. And
Zara's just been happily chasing butterflies. What's so funny? What have you found that's so
that's
funny?
the drain to there.
Ah,
We could put a toilet over there.
oh yeah. Tapping to it.
Because if you see the hoses and taps, they all just run out
Oh, they just
open
run onto
drain.
the ground. Oh,
You know, here, like
wow.
the shower water.
So that now we know where the shower water goes.
The shower water just rolls down here and out there.
All right.
Hey.
Awesome. Just out a big open drain then.
Yeah.
Cool. This vanity. Wow. 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 I was just thinking, look at these.
Ew.
They're like your pink rubber gloves that I think they've seen better days. Oh my god. Ugh.
That could go in the rubbish.
Oh goodness me. Anyway, I was going to show you. Zara's been busy chasing butterflies this morning. That's her new thing to do. But like, lovely, lovely neighbour just popped over with some home-baked shortbread in a little ice cream container. It says, "Welcome to Kawhia." So I just love that. That's just made my day. So cool. Rob's just emptied out the contents of the shed. There's our dishwasher we didn't know we needed. Oh my god, just a whole lot of stuff. And just tried to give it a water blast out, which looks better. Turns out the water doesn't drain down the hole. Must be a blockage down there, but we've got a plumber coming in some stage this weekend anyway. So that's looking a little bit better. Still won't be showering without my jandals at this point. Anyway, now we're just gonna maybe do some water blasting to just freshen it all up. Right, day one. We now have a fence to match that fence. So we've just popped in this fence here. Rob's concreted in the poles and we've just reused bits that were under the house. But it's looking amazing. So there we go. Now it's a fully fenced along the front. There's Rob just finishing off some pieces. So we've got new stairs as well. Come up these stairs. We've got stairs on this side. Shoe. And then Rod's taken down those funny old dangerous stairs because we found these stairs with the house ready to go. Boom, they're up. This rope was lying around, so that's now a handrail, a little bit of a decorative feature. And yeah, how's it going?
First day, what the Kawhia. They were smashing it out. Nice little fence, nice little stairs, and we water blasted a whole lot of stuff today, so it's been a good day.
Yeah, it has been.
Yeah.
Beautiful weather.
Remember,
Good day.
like, comment and subscribe. Cheers. So, it's, what is it? 3:45 on Waitangi Day here in New Zealand. And we're in what the Kawhia. And we're doing a bit of video recording, watching the neighbours go by on their quads. And we've done some fences and some steps, and now Nicola's doing some water blasting. So this is our current deck. If you see our step, it's a bit of a mess. Coming upstairs, and I've done a little bit of that. Look at that. Someone's having fun. Look at that. This place just needs a little bit of love. So, onwards upwards, and it's nearly beer o'clock. Looking forward to that. Cheers. Good morning, and welcome to What the Kawhia. Another beautiful sunny day here, and we've got a few jobs on. Just following up from the work we did yesterday, and a bit of a gander and a look. We put together the fence. Got some holes to fill in there, and we put in some new steps. And we water blasted the deck, and it's starting to come up quite nice. How good is that? And this is an old mooring rope that we've gone as a handrail. So, job's getting done. But today's job for the day is cleaning up some of the garage and making it into a kind of a loungy dining kind of sort of area for a batch. So we've got a whole lot of tools and stuff we need to put away. It's vanity I picked up. It's Nicola doing the dishes in our sink. Fridge. Projector. We watch movies on the big screen. How cool is that? We've just got to tidy this up. So we're going to clean some of the stuff out and dump some of the stuff. Some stuff that, I don't know what, yeah, no, we're going to get rid of that and tidy it up and get rid of stuff. And then we're going to look to rip up the carpet in here, rip this up, empty this out, all sorts of random stuff through here. And then we're going to do some jib stopping. I'm going to jib stop this room. So I've got some jib stopper, and I've got some paint, and we've got some random drawers and doors and automobiles and stuff, and found some random shoes. If you want any shoes, yeah, shout out, we'll hook you up with some shoes. And we'll tidy this up, and we'll paint it, and we'll make this a nice little kind of like bedroom for us when we come over in the interim. And our beautiful view of our shower and laundry area and the batch, you know. So it's going to be good. We're looking forward to it. A lot of fun. Got a door I found that I'm going to install and put in the front door, so that's going to be grand. And yeah, looking forward to a good day. My daughter is outside chasing butterflies, having the time of her life. Baba, where are you? Say hi. She's more interested in butterflies. Zara, over here. Zara, there's a big one, a white one, over there. Over here where I'm pointing, look over there. Look, can you see it? Zara, look. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll keep you updated. Cheers.